Imagine this, Samsung could be ditching the built-in S Pen slot, not for style, but to make room for a monster-sized battery. Or what if a scrapped camera feature from 5 years ago is making a comeback, only this time powered by smarter AI? Sounds unreal, right? But the Galaxy S26 could be Samsung's boldest leap yet. So yes, the Galaxy S25 just landed, but insiders are already buzzing about what's next. Why? Because the S26 leaks are escalating fast. We're talking groundbreaking battery tech, jaw-dropping AI features, and a possible leap ahead of Apple in the innovation race. Let's start with the design overhaul. While the S25 Ultra felt premium, it played it a little safe, flat edges, light in hand, and pretty standard. But now, leaks point to a titanium build, new matte textures, and a completely reimagined camera bump. Oh, and the S Pen. It might no longer live inside the phone. Instead, we could see a magnetic version, saving space for something much bigger. Yep, the battery. Here's the bombshell. Samsung could be working on packing a 7,000 mAh battery into the S26 Ultra. Insane, right? That's non-stop gaming, endless streaming, and enough power to forget your charger at home. The secret: a new internal material called Suskinte. It might sound like a sci-fi antagonist, but it's actually stainless steel reinforcement within the battery itself, helping reduce heat, boost charging speed, and prevent swelling. Let's move on to the cameras. This part is seriously wild. Rumors suggest Samsung may upgrade to a 324MP main sensor alongside a 200MP telephoto lens. That's no longer smartphone photography, it's high-altitude surveillance levels. If true, it could leave the S25 Ultra in the dust when it comes to zoom and detail. And guess what's making a comeback? Variable aperture. Samsung last used it on the Galaxy S9 and dropped it later. But now it's reportedly returning with AI enhancements. That means your camera adjusts light automatically, making night shots clearer and background blur look pro, even without editing. Sure, competitors like QI already use it, but Samsung plans to make it a seamless part of One UI 8.5. Speaking of One UI 8.5, let's get into software. Samsung hasn't done a 5 version since 2020, but this one's confirmed by leaks. Why skip straight to 8.5? Because this version isn't just an update, it's a shift toward fully integrated AI. Imagine your phone writing messages that sound like you, editing pictures before you snap them, and knowing what you need before you do. It's Samsung's big move into turning your phone into your digital sidekick. Now let's talk display. Samsung's OLEDs are already top tier, but a new screen tech, color filter on thin film encapsulation, is expected to enhance brightness and efficiency. Bezels are getting slimmer, and the display could stretch to 7 inches without making the device feel bulky. There's talk of under-display cameras too, although Samsung may wait a bit longer to perfect the look. Under the hood, expect either Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Samsung's own Exynos 2500, depending on where you live. But here's where it gets exciting. The S26 Ultra might debut with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Elite. All that firepower directly feeds into Samsung's new AI goals: real-time translation, proactive task support, seamless cross-device syncing. It's all coming together. Now here's the curveball. Samsung could be retiring the S26 Plus. That's right, in its place, a brand new S26 Edge model. Sleek, bold, and curved, it could simplify the lineup into standard Edge and Ultra, streamlined and maybe even more affordable at the base level. So is the Galaxy S26 Ultra shaping up to be the most advanced phone Samsung's ever made? All signs point to yes. With serious horsepower, smarter software, and daring design changes, this could be the start of a whole new era for Samsung. Which rumored upgrade gets you most excited? Drop your thoughts below. I'm diving into those comments. And as always, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next.